back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to create these clear, beautiful sequence of events nails, and I am absolutely obsessed. They're kind of like glass nails. I think if I had done them longer, the effect would have been better, but I still like them a lot, and I have them on still. So it's awesome to record a voiceover when you still have them on. So I went ahead and essentially removed 87% of my nails, and I went in and did forms. You saw me cut it, and the reason I recut it again and cut it some more is because I'm putting this in the lamp, and I tend to get mine caught. Mine's not very big, so this works for me. You can leave them full size. I cut it to fit my nails so it gets snug up there. Just do the forms how you see fit and how you can get them to work for your nails. This works perfectly fine for me. And I'm going and creating a very, very thin layer so I can apply the sequence of events, and I will let you watch it. Now we're to the good stuff. So literally this is all I apply to my nails in one step. So this is going to create the most beautiful, beautiful glass nails. So a lot of this is in real time. I wanted to, again, this is with my screen now, so I'm able to kind of see more of what I'm doing, and we're getting there. These tutorials will improve. This is improving. But a lot of it's self-explanatory, so I don't necessarily feel like I need to talk through the whole video. Essentially, I put this down, I put a bigger glob down, and I just move it into place because this is a mylar base glitter. So all pretty much gels you can move into place. That's why I put the first thin layer of gel and then this larger kind of glob of gel. I'm able to do that because I have that slip layer, so gel likes to stick to gel. So that is why I'm able to do that. My only word of caution, especially with the kind of globs I'm putting down, be careful of heat spikes. I find when I do put the larger globs of gel, I am more prone to heat spikes, so you just pop it into the light, pull it out real quick. Pop it into the light, pull it out real quick. I do 3 or 4 times, and then I'm usually good to go. And then I come in here with a second layer, and again, I do the same thing. Pop it into the lamp, let it go. Pop it into the lamp, let it go, and then I'm able, after 3 or 4, I can do a full cure without any issues, and all life is good. Just remember, larger globs of gel, the more likely you'll get a heat spike. That includes one step or extreme or whatever you're doing. Just a lot of gel, heat spike. So I'll just let you go ahead and watch all this. You can see I have pretty much one color on. I still have some of the clear. You can see like on my middle finger, I have like parts of that fiber still on. So I mean, I have a couple different bases. It's fine. But I went in with the clear. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoy this, and I will catch you in the next one.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know.